In this video, we're going to discuss simplifying rational expressions. What does simplifying rational expressions mean? So, to simplify algebraic fractions means to reduce it to its lowest terms. This is done by completely factoring both numerator and denominator and canceling out common factors. So, let's try simplifying 15ac cubed over 75a squared b to the fourth c. You can pause the video first and try simplifying the given rational expression. So first you simplify 15 over 75, which will give you 1/5. You apply the quotient rule to variable a, which will give you a in the denominator. And then you also apply the quotient rule for variable c, which will give you c squared in the numerator. There's no b in the numerator, so you can't simplify that anymore. So you still have b to the fourth in your denominator. And there's no need to write 1, so final answer would be c squared over 5a b to the fourth. Did you get the correct answer? Next, how about ab cubed multiplied by a plus b quantity squared over a squared b multiplied by b plus a? Pause the video again and try to answer or to simplify the given rational expression. So as you can see, a plus b is just the same as b plus a. So we can cancel out the b plus a in the denominator and we're left with a plus b in the numerator. So we apply the quotient rule on variables a and b. So we have b squared multiplied by a plus b over a. Last example. What if, for example, we have 5c plus 5d over c squared plus cd? So you can get the factors first of 5c plus 5d. So rewrite both numerator and the denominator using their factored form. So what is the factored form of your numerator? That's correct. So we have 5 times c plus d. And how about for our denominator? That's correct. So we have c multiplied by c plus d. So we can cancel out c plus d. So our final answer here is 5 over c. Now, let's try to make it a little bit more challenging. What if, for example, you have c squared plus 7c plus 10 over c squared minus 4? So write the factored form first of both numerator and denominator. You can pause the video first, look at your notes, try to recall how to factorize the numerator and the denominator, and then go back here to check if you were able to get the correct answer. So the factored form of your numerator is c plus 5 multiplied by c plus 2. So just a very short review. To get the factors of your trinomial, you can get the factors of the last term that will add up to the middle term. So 5 times 2 is 10 and 5 plus 2 is 7. Next, how about for the denominator? So the factored form is c plus 2 multiplied by c minus 2. So can you cancel out anything? Yes, that's correct. You can cancel out c plus 2. So the final answer would be c plus 5 over c minus 2. Next, 2k minus 10 over k squared minus 3k minus 10. Pause the video and write your answers. So you can rewrite your numerator as 2 multiplied by k minus 5 and your denominator as k minus 5 multiplied by k plus 2. So again, negative 5 times 2 is negative 10 and negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. We can cancel out k minus 5. So the final answer here is 2 over k plus 2.